I'm so glad our parents are here. They'd freak if they found out we were playing by human stuff. I know. They'd panic so much. I'm just worried my adopted dad will come. I hate him so much. He's a cat. And I'm a hermit crab. Yikes. Come on, let's play. I'm gonna swim in the cup. Oh my gosh, it's starting to rain again. Oh well, I'm gonna hop in the cup. Swim in the cup, swim in the cup, I'm swimming in the cup. I think I'll just play in the puddles. And I'll stick with the waif. Look, the rain, it's pitter-pattering. This is so awesome. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, Mama, what are you doing here? Sweetie, what are you doing? This is human land. Come with me, young lady. Mama, wait. I can't explain. We're staying here where we're safe. Oh no, she got taken away. Please say my mama doesn't show up. Sweetie, what are you doing here? Come with me, young lady. We're going back to safe land. But my adoptive dad doesn't come. I can swim more. Yeah, swim. Get with me, young man. I'm not a man, dude. Great. Now we're all stuck in safe land. Not playing in the rain.